In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Wells Fargo Mobile app. Whether you're using an iOS or Android device, I'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure you have the app ready to go in no time. Let's kick things off with downloading the app. If you're using an iOS device such as an iPhone or iPad, you'll want to head over to the App Store. For those of you on Android, you'll find the app in the Google Play Store. Simply open the respective App Store on your device and use the search bar at the top to type in Wells Fargo. Once you've found the official Wells Fargo mobile app, which should have the familiar red and yellow logo, go ahead and click on it to see the app details and reviews if you'd like. After you've confirmed it's the app you want, the next step is to click Install. This will start the download process. Keep in mind that you might need to confirm this action using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your password depending on the security settings of your device. Once confirmed, your download should begin immediately, and your app will automatically install itself once it's fully downloaded. Now let's talk about another convenient way to get the app. Some of you might have come across a QR code provided by Wells Fargo. If that's the case, simply open your phone's camera app and point it towards the QR code. Your device should recognize the code and prompt you with a link to download the app directly. It's a quick and easy option if you happen to have the QR code handy. Alternatively, you can opt for the text message route to download the app. Wells Fargo provides a service where you can send a text to the number 93557. For iOS users, text the letters IPH, and for Android users, text AND. Within moments, Wells Fargo will send you a download link specific for your device. Do bear in mind that standard message and data rates may apply depending on your mobile service provider's policies. Once the app is installed, open it up, and you're ready to start managing your finances on the go. The Wells Fargo mobile app allows you to check account balances, transfer money, and even pay bills, all from the convenience of your smartphone. There you have it, folks, a straightforward way to get the Wells Fargo mobile app up and running on your device. Enjoy the ease of banking at your fingertips, and make sure to explore all the features that the app has to offer. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.